Welcome to Schluter Systems, your essential partner for tile and stone. Since 1966, we have provided market-leading system solutions and services to support these beautiful materials. We carry over 10,000 products developed to target and prevent problems with tile and stone installations. From drainage channels, through uncoupling and waterproofing, to all manner of tiling profiles, our solutions provide maintenance-free and functional protection to ensure that projects go the distance. We also provide integrated balcony and underfloor heating systems. Our hydronic underfloor heating system is responsive and energy efficient. It can be used in both new build and renovation projects due to its low height. Over 40 years ago, Werner Schluter created the first tiling edge profile. Today, customers can take advantage of trend-led coatings, near-invisible slimline edge protection, and profiles integrated with LED technology, to name but a few. Since economy and ecology are closely connected, Schluter Systems focuses on clean technologies, as well as innovative procedures and products. We pride ourselves on manufacturing for quality. All products are made at our headquarters in Germany, from where they are shipped to subsidiaries, customers, or directly to construction sites as desired. Schluter Systems takes advantage of technology to further enhance the capabilities of a highly efficient warehouse team. We pride ourselves on quick turnarounds and accurate shipments, and are also able to supply large-scale projects at short notice. Back in the office, trend forecasting and industry-specific problems are the focus of Schluter Systems' product management team, who look to develop innovative solutions to common issues. They are closely linked with our specification and technical teams, who have direct insight into the problems that architects, distributors, and tradespeople face on a day-to-day basis. A supportive work environment allows employees to thrive. Our corporate culture emphasizes trust, independence, and mutual support. International project teams draw upon the expertise of employees across the world, developing strategies for continued success. Schluter Systems lives and breathes education. By offering the trade easily accessible training on our industry and products, we help to safeguard the longevity of installations as well as boosting confidence. The sessions that we hold for tilers and distributors are highly practical in content. For architects and designers, we have a suite of CPDs that concisely address key areas for consideration. Inspiring, nurturing, and committed to a job well done, Schluter Systems is a true innovator. Our considerable history, coupled with a sharp eye for the future, allows us to leverage the best of both worlds and champion excellence within our industry. Schluter Systems, providing complete system solutions for tile and stone.